Okay, no one cares. Come on. We need the DC data. Showing up the base. Come on. Woohoo! Oh yeah, this is so tough, guys. I'm so happy.
Wow, this is very interesting.
Okay, so how to play this game? We're gonna be doctors, and
You look so scary and ugly.
did you look at yourself? Because you can't be talking. You can't be
Yeah,
talking. Like
I have
seriously, you can't be talking.
I'm sorry, Roblox. Please don't mind me.
Hurry wolves. Okay, hurry wolves. Okay.
These sound like
Oh yeah, I did that. Okay, I'm gonna be the doctor. Wait, what color am I?
you're bluish lavender.
Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to do patient 1. Okay. Okay. Don't say ouch. It's gonna hurt more if you say that. Okay. Stomach ache. Okay. Hurts. Okay. That's easy. Speed run. Speed run. Speed run. Speed run. Speed run. Speed run. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we can go.
Calm down.
And we don't. Now we can go and we don't even have to care about them. So let's just close the door. Blue! Blue! Teach Pink how to play this. Okay. So I'm blue, you're beige, you're pink. Hey! Okay. Okay. I saw another patient come in. Okay. Oh, where are they? What are they even doing? I'm doing everything. Oh, sorry, I'm jumping on your bed. I got. Okay. Speed run, speed run, speed run, speed run, speed run, speed run, speed run. Good job. Okay. The doctor is arriving. Okay. Okay. Dr. Hakim.
Come. Hey, hey. You're looking I'm not so hard.
Okay, now we're gonna see who's the best worker.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, I'm the best worker. Oh yeah, let me just
Because none of you guys want to do anything.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Can I do something for once?
Hey!
Stop!
Anomaly!
Stop! Anomaly! How do you do that? Stop!
Blue! Blue! They took away my, they took 10% of my sanity. They said stalker. They said stalker.
Let's Pink do it. Let's Pink do it.
Okay. They said
Yeah, let me do it.
they said soccer. Okay. How much is your sanity? Everyone, how much is your sanity?
6.
Huh?
60. Slow.
66?
Oh my god.
Whose sanity is lower than 56?
Not me.
Okay, then I should take the coffee. Basically. I'm gonna take the coffee because my health is 56. Okay. Guys, you know that I'm so pro at this game? Room 4. Why is everything quiet? I'm scared. Guys, I'm lagging. Guys, guys, I need some coffee. Blue! Blue! Coffee guy came.
What?
Coffee guy came. I gave him coffee.
Thanks for the coffee. Okay. Good.
Where's all the people? We have the best hospital in the world. Okay, I'm gonna do the
Can I do
station.
something?
Why is it lagging for me? It's like when you're talking, it's like
Your voice line is so much for me. Like, it sounds like you're going to sing out. It's like,
Me too.
Who farted?
I'm gonna sit on the floor. My charger is not.
Why is it closed? One on.
Huh?
Allow me. Check the camera.
Oh my gosh. We were gonna serve him. Time to be slick. Anomaly! Guys, this is so scary. I'm so scared. Okay, be safe. Oh yeah. Speed run. I'm gonna do it. I didn't do anything. Oh, fine. Listen. I'm gonna do the second person who comes in.
Oh my.
Oh, I have enough charge.
I have just done 1%.
I'm gonna lay on the floor. Okay. What is Listen, the second person who comes in, I'm gonna do them. Dr. Hakim.
What?
Oh my god! fair.
You guys won't let me do anything.
Ah! It's Blue! Blue is doing this! Blue is doing everything! Blue is doing everything! I'm telling you right now. Doing everything. I'm gonna buy this. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Okay, listen. Blue is not gonna do anything. Blue, you're gonna be at the register. Me and Pink, we're gonna work. Since they wanna do everything. Don't close the door. Don't close it, cause like, you know. Oh.
What am I gonna do? You don't let me do anything.
Okay. Pink. Okay, Pink is gonna take care of this patient. She's gonna do this patient. Okay, you do this patient. Okay, I wanna do this patient. Okay, wait. Anomaly! What the hell? It's not closing the shutters. They're both anomalies. What the freaky frick? What the freaky frick? So scary, I swear. Anomaly. Ew. I'm gonna do this person. I'm doing this person. Guys, this game is so creepy, I swear to you. So scary. Like, why are things happening right now? Isn't it supposed to happen, like, in the, middle? Yeah. Okay. Same? I'm so glad. Okay. Okay. Now I'm finished with this patient, so I can go out. Yeah. Where are you? Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Someone hold my hand, I'm scared. Well, I was looking for you guys. Guys, the window is broken.
Can I do this one?
Yeah.
Can I do this one?
Yeah. Guys, the window is broken. How did it break? Dr. Hakim!
Stop saying that. baksana.
So never mind. Okay. Okay, I got Mr. Cool Guy. Hi, this is scary. I think it's fine. I'm not sure. Okay, I want to do this person. Can I do them? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Quickly! Okay. Can you get out of the way? I'm stressing out. Okay. Maple, herb, bandage, maple, herb, bandage, maple, herb, bandage, maple, maple. Guys, that was actually so tough. I'm not lying, that's so tough. I'm getting so much aura. That's a cookie. Yeah. The shop is open. I can't buy this one. I can't. I have 167. 67. Well, I don't want to buy anything because everything gets, bad. How much money do you have?
200.
Go buy this. Come. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, I want to do this person. They look okay. I want to do them. Okay. Okay. Let me see if they're anomaly or not. Looks scary. Okay, they're safe. What's that? Guys. What the hell? What the freaky frick? Guys, did you see what they said? What the Dr. Hakim said? My name is Anda Dingus. Oh, she can... Okay, I have to see if they're... I know money. Okay, they're safe. Guys, I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. This game. Yeah. Why are they staring at me like that? Oh my god. Okay. Your favorite customer. Yeah. What happened? What the hell? Oh my gosh! What the hell? Oh my god! What the freaking frick? Guys, I can't work. I don't know. Guys, my sanity was 7. My sanity was literally 7. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Me too, I don't. So many things are happening at once. Close the windows. Why did you close the window? And then, yeah. He said he said he's gonna watch out or something. I don't remember. Coffee guy hates us. All because of someone. All because of someone. Why did you close the window? We could have never normally stayed there. Okay, then don't close the window. You're gonna keep them there. You're gonna keep them waiting, and then when the coffee is done, we can give it to them.
It will take 100-something seconds, and it's still not done. Look at the coffee, still not done.
Okay. Now coffee guy hates us, and he won't give us another machine. Oh yeah, I have a customer. I forgot. Sorry, I forgot about you. Canadian. Why do I have to say it's Canadian? Wait, Blue. How much is your sanity?
74.
Then I'm gonna drink the coffee. I'm drinking this. I don't really care about coffee, guys. All because of coffee, guys.
The coffee. Oh.
7. Guys, I'm telling you right now. Okay, wait. Guys, I'm telling you right now. This is so scary. The scariest thing is this thing. Guys, we have to do this place. We have to do a speed run. Like, we have to do. Yeah. And then we have to take this, and then this, and then we give it to the patient. And we only have 45 seconds. I swear to you, we only have 45 seconds. Literally. Oh my gosh!
Oh no.
Okay, we have to do a speed run. Speed run. What the hell? What's he? Okay. Speed run, everyone. Speed run. I'm going through 3.
Oh, why is it like that?
Oh my gosh. Quickly. Okay. Maple syrup. Oh, cement. Band-Aid. Okay. Oh my gosh. That was so scary. I swear to you, that was so scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's happening? Okay. Guys, I swear to you, this is so scary. Oh my gosh! Guys, what the hell is happening? Oh my goodness. What the hell is happening? Guys, I really need coffee. Really bad. Really bad. Wait it. Oh my god. Don't look at that.
There's something on the roof in that room. Don't look.
What the freaking frick is happening right now? Everything is happening at once. I need coffee. How much is your sanity?
69.
69. Okay, wait. Blue! Oh. How much is your sanity? What the freaking fig is wrong with you? You know that's so rude. Guys, I really need coffee right now. I need coffee too bad. And no! They come by their camera down. I think they come by their set. Like, yeah.
This one.
Oh, I don't know. Guys, I'm telling you right now. this is my first job, so yeah. Like, whatever. You guys don't even know if I had any other jobs. Okay. Guys. Where are the other patients? Why aren't they? What the hell? Oh my gosh! What the freaky frick? What's happening? That wasn't me. Okay, you can do the rest. I'm trying to right now. This is so scary. This is unacceptable. 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 Unacceptable.
Okay, yeah.
I think I said it wrong before. Okay. Why the hell? Bonus! Oh yeah, bonus. Oh yeah, bonus. Oh, it's her. Used to. Okay, listen. The next person who has to do the surgery, like the fast surgery, I'm gonna do them because I wanna. Yeah. I don't want anything. Guys, listen to me. Do you see how much money I have right now? I'm gonna save up for 1,000. Trust me, I will. And I know I can do it. Someone go to room 6. Okay, me. Nobody wants. How did it even start with? Who wants to trade? Me. Nobody wants. And I didn't even ask you. So shut up. You said who wants to trade, so I said nobody wants. Guys, okay. Red, blue, red, blue, red. Guys, I can smell the creature from here. I'm telling you right now, I can smell this creature. Guys, I swear to you, I can smell the creature.
There's something under the bed. Someone help me, there's something under the bed.
Okay, wait. I think you can go now. Okay. Which room? 6, 7. What the hell? What the hell is fake? What? That's like the team. Guys! Okay, what happened? No! Don't do that! Stop it! What the? Why are you... Medic, stop doing this to everyone! Annoying girl. Ugly. I love you, Roblox. Blue, come. I want to tell you something. Come. Blue, come. I want to tell you something. Come. So first of all, I told everyone that I'm gonna do that surgery in room 8. I said the next patient who comes in, I'm gonna do that surgery, and now she wants to do that one. And when oh shut up! You're not gonna play with us again. I'm gonna cut out all your videos. You're gonna be like that.
I hope that you are playing.
Oh yeah. I don't even care about that. I didn't even ask you. Bro, who told her to even play with us? How do they even do that, bro? How do you even do that? How do they just disappear? You know.
How do I get rid of this?
Okay. Why do we not have any patience?
Guys, what's it called? Coffee. My sanity is 57.
Mine is 20.
Mine is 15.
Who is gonna drink the coffee? Mine is 20. Guys, do you know I'm the only one who's drinking the coffee? I don't know if you guys
are running out of time. Is there nothing to
Okay.
Is there no update for how fast the coffee is? Can someone go to the top and get the thing in the middle?
In the middle? Okay, wait. Visitor check in faster. Okay. Guys, how much money do you all have? How much money do you all have? do the best surgery on you. The best worker doing the best surgery. I'm telling you right now. Like, I'm seriously not even lying. Best surgery. Oh my gosh, 14 seconds. Like, I had 14 seconds left. And I told you, I did the best surgery on you. And you won't even see the best surgery again. So if you come again, like, I can do it this again. Like, you don't even have to pay. So I'm telling you right now, you don't even have to pay. What the hell? What the freak? That's an anomaly. He's twitching. I'm telling you, he's twitching. What the frick? Can you stop doing that? Yeah, you can go. This is so disrespectful. Too disrespectful. Go. Thinking you can trick me? Oh yeah, you can. Okay. They look normal. I think they are normal. And where is the camera? Haruku? Oh my gosh. Room 7. Me! Someone stop the fire! We're gonna kill the patient! It doesn't let me spray! Oh my god.
Put it back.
What? Seriously. 7. I thought the fire extinguisher was for everyone being mad. Sorry. God, where are these patients? Like, I swear to you, I'm not even seeing any. Guys, I'm the only one who's drinking coffee. Just telling you. How much is your sanity? 39. How much is your sanity? 23. Mine is 19. How are we all gonna take it? Okay, I'm gonna drink coffee. Okay, I'm gonna need it the most, so
should do something.
Guys, Coffee Guy isn't coming because of someone.
So, first thing you have to do is, wait.
What's that sound? What No! How did she die?
You have to buy the hiding thing.
Wait, how did she die?
Killed me. Really? Killed me.
Wait. Okay, wait. I have 800. No! She left! She left! How much money did you have?
1,000 something. I have 927 because I bought it.
Why did you not buy this?
This is mine. How am I supposed to know? So you bought it.
I didn't. If I bought it, it would say sold out.
Why?
If you bought it, she could come back to life.
You could have told me.
Oh my gosh. No, I'm not playing without her. I'm leaving. This game is so rigged. Guys, this game is so rigged. I'm not playing this game. It's so bad. Yeah, keep waiting. I don't even care anymore. Don't hurry up me. No, I'm not new at this. I'm not. I'm actually the best worker in this place, first of all. And I have other things to do too. So we can't be talking. I don't even care about you if you start a ritual or a mimic ate you. I won't even help you. So I'm leaving this ugly game because no one even deserves to play this ugly game. I hate this game, guys. I don't want to play this anymore. I don't want this.